Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hari ni aku nak tunjuk kat korang macam mana aku lukis current profile picture YouTube kita orang dekat Procreate. As always, if you are new here, please like and subscribe to the channel. Sangat-sangat membantu. Anyway, aku start off dengan sketching using the pencil. Then using the same pencil, aku retrace those rough line dengan final lines lah. Okay, and then I started with the inking. Aku guna studio brush. And then I throw in some colours. By the way, untuk video kali ni aku edit fully on iPad pakai app nama VN. Serius baik tu app ni. Recommended. Okay, at first aku tak nak letak anak mata dan mulut sebab aku nak dia nampak robotik. But somehow after some deep consideration, I just went for it. And I think it's a good choice lah. And then at first I put in the orange background colour because I really like the colour. But somehow bila orange dia macam sama colour dengan api dia, so aku decide untuk tukar kepada warna biru, macam langit lah kononnya. Anyway, that is all. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I see you in the next one. Ciao.